I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R7525. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on network cards. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R7525. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, we'll hop in. This is going to be a video dedicated to network cards. It's going to be a continuation of our series. So we've already covered CPUs, memory, drives, RAID. So network cards, let's get going. All right, so what we're going to do, first we're going to hit what types of form factors of network cards are supported. Then we're going to go over the different types of compatible interfaces, which is pretty important. And then we're going to go over the different speeds that are supported. And then we're going to hit up a compatibility chart that we've put together. And this isn't going to be all encompassing, but it's going to show a bunch of different cards and the model numbers that are supported. If there's something that you like that you use on your R7525, hey, drop a comment down below, let the other users know and help them out. And then at the very end, we're going to show you how to physically install both types of network cards. So, hey, let's get into the good stuff. All right, so what form factors are supported? You know, if you watch the RAID video, I put out 3 form factors and only 2 were supported. And I thought about doing that again here, but since it almost hit me in the head, I threw it and it bounced off the gong behind me and scared the livings out of me. So I said, all right, I'm not going to do that this time. All right, but you're going to have 2 types of network cards, and that's going to be your typical PCIe card, and you are going to be able to use your OCP 3.0. So what is important about that? That means the network daughter card is out. The network daughter card was so prevalent. Huge fan of the network daughter card. You use that all through the 13th gen, 14th gen. Hell, I think even back in the 12th gen, it's been so long. But the 13th and 14th gen, the network daughter card was a staple of a lot of the machines like the 640s and the 740s and 740XDs, et cetera, et cetera. Now we have moved into the new world, and we are using OCP 3.0 and PCIe. So those are going to be the 2 form factors of network cards that are supported for the Dell PowerEdge R7525. All right, also important to note, there are 4 risers that you're going to be able to put in for your PCIe cards, and there's also 1 OCP 3.0. There are 2 onboard 1 gigabit RJ45, which is another way of saying Ethernet, and of course your iDRAC management port. All right, that brings us to compatible interfaces. You're going to have RJ45, which we mentioned is just another way of saying Ethernet, SFP, SFP+, SFP28, SFP56, QSFP, QSFP+, QSFP28, QSFP56. Fiber Channel, holy shit, it's still around. Yes, Fiber Channel still works. So those are going to be your different compatible interfaces. All right, well, what speeds can I use? Well, you can go as low as a 1 gigabit. You can do 10, 25, 50, and all the way up to 100. That's going to be the highest, at least that we've tested and that Dell says they support. If you used higher, hey, drop a comment down below. But those are the speeds you can use. Now, what about Fiber Channel? I know it's old. And I said it kind of funny a minute ago, I'm sorry, but it's just crazy to me that Fiber Channel is still supported. And on top of that, not only can you use the 8, not only can you use the 16 and the 32, you can actually go up to 64 with Fiber Channel, which to me, kind of honestly, that one blew me away. That was my surprise for the 7525. Yes, 64 on the Fiber Channel. All right, so enough talking. Let's grab our ESD gear and let's do some installs.
Hey, it's Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your network cards via PCIe and OCP 3.0 into your Dell PowerEdge R7525 server. Now, as you can see, we have our PCIe network card here and our OCP 3.0 NIC here. So let's go ahead and set these to the side, pop our latch, and lift our top just like any other server you've been in before. Looking at the back, we will press the blue tab towards the back, and then we can lift riser 4 up from the motherboard and then flip it over. In the back of the riser, you will notice that there are these filler brackets here, and we'll go ahead and flip this black tab back so that way we can remove the filler bracket and make space for the network card. Once we have removed the filler and then set it to the side, we will go ahead and take our PCIe card and take a look at the leads and the slot. You will need to make sure that these 2 will line up. So go ahead and line them up and install the card into the slot. We will also be making sure that the bracket is flushed in the back, and then once you have the card slotted in all the way, we can flip this black tab back down and then set the riser back into into its original position. All right, so now let's go ahead and show you guys how to install your OCP 3.0 NIC. Risers 1, 3, and 4 will need to be removed by pressing the blue tabs in the direction that it is telling us, and then lifting the risers gently up and then out of the server. As you can see, riser 2 right here is actually directly over the OCP 3.0 slot. So all you need to do is press this blue button and then use the indentions to lift the riser up and out of the server. So now we have access to our OCP 3.0 slot, so go ahead and lift this blue lever to the side of the OCP slot, and after that we will take our OCP 3.0 card and then slot it in all the way into the slot, and once it is fully installed we can press that blue lever back down. And from here we'll go ahead and place riser 2 back down first, and then riser 3, and then we'll place riser 4, and then lastly riser 1. And congratulations, you have successfully installed your network card via PCIe and OCP 3.0 into your Dell PowerEdge R7525 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash the subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, Cisco, IBM, maybe you're looking for an AMD Ryzen server, or even a GPU compute server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished, so please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.